In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or chemistry problems under periodic law or laws of the periodic table. So we have three repeated questions to practice with in the video. Let's get started. First question here says, which of the following statement is correct about ionization energy? It decreases across the period. No. Causes metallic nuclei to disintegrate. No. Decreases down the group. Yes. Results in formation of an atom. Not really. So the right answer is option B, C, decreases down a group. So ionization energy is a property of the periodic table in which it increases across the period and decreases down the group. So that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says, which of the following elements can conveniently be placed in two groups in the periodic table? We have oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, copper. The right answer is option B, hydrogen. Very important, guys. Last question before I end this video with this one. It says the periodic table is an arrangement of elements according to their atomic number. Guys, this question is very important. Oftentimes it comes out, so take note of it. Option B, atomic number. So this basically can do problems involving periodic law for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 3 replay questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.